Artie Lang emergency alert, May the 16th, 2024. Gold, silver mining, generational wealth transfer currency taking place with a once-in-100 years silver bull market, reporting from beautiful $6 and so 9-cent Vincenzo gold. Crypto investing studio generational wealth transfer with simple investments in Pan American, silver, First Majestic silver, Fortuna silver, silver Kinross and gold. Barrick Gold are all just an education into inflation away. Super simple and easy. Just bell notification, free subscription below and comment down below. Subscribe and share to keep the education of truth integrity flowing for free.
Subscribe down below, bell notification. Good 16th day of May, if we can believe this already, steadily marching our way towards the summertime season, and June 1st on an overcast, cloudy, somewhat hazy and seasonable temperatures with a west-southwest wind of 5 to 15 miles per hour, gusting up to 20 miles per hour with a current temperature of 61 degrees J at the Central Illinois Airport in Bloomington, and the number one XRP and gold and silver bullion insider here on social media. We ask you to bell notification, comment down below, like and share to get that education, entertainment, truth, and integrity you need to fleece, heist, and shyst. The shysters, fleecers, and heisters, and market manipulators, as I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I play one on my radio show. These are strictly my own personal opinions and beliefs on the market and the investing that I am currently involved in and doing, and I share my investing trades with. And for only $3.69 a month, you can become members of Jabroni Killers to help keep this education, truth, entertainment, and integrity flowing for free. And I don't know where the disconnect is with some of the subscribers, but I do show my long-term holds and my trades, and this is my long-term holds. You can see we're up 19.03% in First Majestic Silver. The blink charging is just a quick swing trade, trying to see if anything can pop off here, but that is not a trade that I'm in, that I'll stay in a week. That'll be gone. B2 Gold, we're down 10% still on. But I do have 2,000 shares total. I got them in various different accounts. Fortuna Silver, we're up 84.05%. Kinross Gold, we're up 51.03%. And you can see I didn't just buy these. I actually haven't bought any of this in a long time. 2/21/2022 are my first shares that I bought at $5.54. And then I bought my final shares 6/21/2022 for $4.27, right? You can see I bought over a course of the first half of 2022, and I should have been buying more when it was sitting at $3, and I didn't take advantage of that enough, but I do have 400 shares. Pan America Silver, we're up 24.58%, and you can see my first shares I bought in 2023, bought some more in 2023, and bought a few more in the late 2023, right? So these are shares, and then we're down 39% in Rivian on here, right? And then we have some ETFs down there, but I do show all my gold holdings, right? And these are not get-rich-quick schemes. These are not buy them today, go up 20% tomorrow. These are things that I've been accumulating since 2019. And then in this account, in my IRA, we have 1,121 more shares on here, and it's down 17% because this is the only gold company that hasn't moved. But look how long I've been buying these. 12, 18, 20, 20, right? I bought 10 shares. Then I bought more in 2020. I bought more in 2021, right? I bought more in 2022. Then I didn't buy any for a while, and then it got way, way down. You can see the first time I bought, it was near $6. And then recently this year, I bought 270 shares at $2.68, 200 shares at $2.58, 195 shares at $2.63, and 23 additional shares at $2.77. And the current price is at $2.82. And it is down significantly from where it should be. It's way undervalued right now. I do have 120 shares of Barrick Gold I just picked up on here. Pan America Silver, I picked up these shares a long time ago, 2 years ago, at a bad time, obviously, at $26. And then I only, for some reason, bought 4 as the price was at $19, which was pretty stupid. But you can see that this position on this one's not up. And then we just did add VOD. I added that into my IRA because I think VOD's going to be a good company. But those are the positions, and some of them are up 50, 80%, $1,100, $500. Some of them are down, some of them are up. But I do share all my positions, and I'm not sure what this one guy is complaining about. He seems to be just a big complainer. But I do love them, and we love each and every one of you. And then I do have Barrick Gold, a massive position on here. It's up 2.75%. I bought these about 10 days ago on here for 244 shares at $17.11. And it's currently at $17.58 and rising. And then we do have more Rivian on here. We have 388 shares of Rivian on here at $10.47. Down 1.72%, and it's been fluctuating greatly recently, and we have been accumulating this. We didn't just buy it all down here. I started buying back here, a little bit back there, then I started buying there. Every day it was buying in here. In February, every day since about somewhere in here when it got back down to $15 on the retrace, it was buying $16.66 a day, right, for months. And then this is what we ended out with right there. And that's what we're going to continue holding. And if you want to continue to follow my trades for free, bell notification and comment down below is all we ask. And we have to talk about the gold market's been doing phenomenally well. As you do know, these are the positions I'm currently in: blank charging, gold bullion, silver bullion, platinum, Barrick Gold, B2 Gold, Kinross Gold, Fortuna Silver, Pan America Silver, First Majestic Silver, Impala, Platinum Holdings, Rivian, VOD. Are all current positions that I own, various amount of shares, various amounts of money. And if you want to get some of the rewards that I get on there, it is a patience man game. It's a sometimes decade-long game, but I've been in the game for 6 years now, and we just accumulate, or I accumulate. You guys can do whatever you want, but I accumulate gold and silver bullion mining stocks as they are down, right? And then I buy them. And then if they go down from where I have bought the original one, I buy more, right? Because I think inflation is going to continue, and gold, from my first video I ever made, I had a $2,500 price target when gold was at $1,800. Gold at almost $2,400 again. Gold will hit that $2,400, and gold will eventually be at $5,000. Silver will hit our $50 target, and I will still own my silver mining stocks, and they will be up 5 and 10x, right? But right now, the Bitcoin price, what it's done on this phenomenal reversal, from down at this green arrow, we bounced and came right back up to the top part of this rising channel, which is major upper resistance now. And that is what we broke back into on this whole consolidation down so far. So if you're selling resistance, this is major upper resistance. You would look for it to back test here the first time at about 61,000. But if it follows that, Bitcoin come all the way back down and finally hit this uptrending target at the underneath support of the lower support of this rising channel right there. You see that as the rising channel we've been in for about 2 years. And we're initially getting rejected. And I would look for the rejection to continue at least possibly down to the moving averages, right? You could look for consolidation down to here. And then if you don't hold the moving averages after some trading, a logical stop, if we'll get rid of that, that's just confusing. A logical stop, if you don't get supported by these uptrending moving averages, is you eventually come down to $51,000. But if you get bullish and you're looking for bulls to come out and fight off the bears, you break above this major upper resistance and then fight your way back towards that 69,000 and then try to get above that. And then you can be ultimately bullish and try to go for a new all-time high. So that's what you're at in the Bitcoin price. The XLM price is the same thing. You're trying to get above these moving averages. If you fight above these moving averages, like the last time we talked, you can fire up to 12.5 cents, 12.6 cents, right? And then try to get on top of that and get bullish. And then you could try to maybe work your way up even higher. Conversely, you could do a hook-nosed Jew bearish reversal pattern up there and then take a big nosedive, right? That is also a possibility. or you just start to trade out of here and you can't get any kind of momentum and you trade back down initially to the 9.5 cents. So if you want to get bullish, you got to break these moving averages. If you want to get medium term bullish, you got to break above this 12.6 cents and hold it. And then you get medium term bullish. Short term bullish, you break above these 3 moving averages in the 4-hour time frame. Short term bearish, you get rejected by these moving averages and breach this 10.1 cents and then start to move on down. And the XLM price, the H bar, I do have a position on an H bar right now for better or worse, right? I think it's H bar. Get off there. No, it's AMP, not H bar. My bad. I do have $1,000 on this right now on Coinbase. It's not on leverage. I just trade on Coinbase, and we're hoping for a bounce. Could this come all the way down? Absolutely. Could I lose my ass? Yeah, but I wouldn't sell it. I would just hold this for a while and hope it one day goes back. But I am playing. I did buy it somewhere over here. I don't remember. It was a few days ago. It's down a few percent right now, but then it came back up and got close to even, but I think it's still down a couple percent. But I'm hoping for a nice bounce, maybe to retest this 0.008 or even come all the way back up and try to re-break some of this major upper resistance and maybe try to come back up after this big pump that we had back here that the few followers that were following me and traded with me made a good trade there. And then we were buying it back here and hopefully make another run, maybe up here to a double top or a Batman double top, or even breach out and actually hit this upper major target underneath that you could say is a consolidation from this big pump. You got a flagpole here and an extended consolidation. And if you break out to the upside, you could do a measured move from the flagpole to the top of the flag of the power move, and then the point of a breakout, and that does line up nicely with the 0.02496. So I am in AMP right now as a swing trade. I am in Blink charging as a swing trade right now currently. I showed you all those trades, and I am currently in my half-decade long holds in my gold stocks. You can see old Vincenzo'S holdings. We've had Blink charging as a swing trade, gold bullion, silver bullion, Barrick Gold, B2 Gold, Kinross Gold, Fortuna Silver, Pan America Silver, First Majestic Silver, Impala Platinum, Rivian Automotion, Vodafone Group are all long-term holds, and all of them but Vodafone and Barrick Gold I've owned for multiple years, some of them for longer than 5 years. And that's just the way it is. And the XRP price for the XRP army out here, and everybody always says I don't show my trades. Conversely, I do show my trades. Just most of my trades, ladies and gentlemen, are in the gold bullion, silver bullion, and silver and gold mining sector. Do you understand, ladies and gentlemen? Most of my trades, ladies and gentlemen, are not in the cryptocurrency or blockchain technology sphere, ladies and gentlemen. I trade mostly in the gold bullion, the Fortuna Silvers, and the Newmont Minings, and the Barrick Golds of the world. And I try to tell you that, ladies and gentlemen, but none of you listen, because when it's about gold and silver and mining stocks, nobody watches, nobody cares. And then when you finally stumble along and see I'm up 50%, you can't believe it and say I don't share my trades, when that is conversely not the truth. I share each and every one of my trades. It's just you guys only care about when I talk about crypto, but it's a gold crypto investing. Gold crypto investing, not crypto gold investing. Gold crypto investing, and you must understand that. And that is why most of my holdings are in that, because I believe I will make a lot of money off of them. But you can see right now we're still in this extended consolidation at the bottom part of this rising channel. If you can hold this, you could, like we've been talking about, make a run to 57 cents again, like we did a couple times there, but quickly sold off. And then maybe fight your way all the way back up to 70, and then back up to the top part of this major upper resistance, which if we zoom out into a longer time frame is the rising channel that we're in, and we're at the bottom part, and we even threatened and wicked out briefly before we came back in, because the bulls or the buyers saved the market temporarily. And that's what we're trying to do, and stay within this rising channel and try to pump back up to the upside of that, which would be a very, very big trade. From current price, that would be roughly a 60% move. But if you break down out of this rising channel at any point, a technical target is all the way down here from a bull flag that you could say that we could technically be in, where this capitulation was a flagpole, and this very long 2-year long rising channel is a flagpole, but usually you wouldn't like to see it go past there before the breakdown. But that is still a possible underneath target if you get very, very bearish. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.